How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1964 Pontiac LeMans Convertible. Super clean car, all original panel car, done in a gorgeous victory red, base clear, show quality paint. See the grills and the headlight bezels, all that's original, excellent condition. It's original front bumper, does show a little bit of patina, but still real nice condition. The car's real straight, flat down the sides. Top looks like brand new. Got a set of Anson chrome wheels. Kind of period correct for the old cars. It's all the tail lights and the tail panel molding. That's all the original and excellent condition. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. This car spent most of his life, I believe, out in California. The underside, everything on this car is very, very nice, very solid. It's got the numbers matching. 327. It was rebuilt. They did it 30 over. It's got the 3-speed manual trans. It's got power steering. It's all detailed nice. Very, very nice car. And all the chrome on the car is very nice. When they repainted the car, they did new weather stripping. Door panels, the original door panels in the car, really good condition. Dash all looks real nice. Got the in-dash tack that works. It says top frame and everything's painted real nice. It's got the optional front and rear seat belts. It's original bucket seat console. And all the jambs are painted real slick. Trunk's all real nice. It's got the speakers mounted there. You see the pump. It's got the factory jack spare. It's got a parade boot. Tell you, you just don't see too many 64s. I tell you, this car drives and rides excellent. I personally drove this car a little over an hour home. Got an AM/FM cassette radio in it. I drove it down the freeway, some back road, just handled perfect. Thing fires right up. It's got all stock type exhaust. It's got power top. Works like it should. It's just a super cool car. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.